This contemporary designed home is in excellent move-in condition. It has been meticulously maintained and is located in the desirable Island Park Woodlands with community boat ramp and direct access to the Gulf of Mexico. Check out this spacious split floor plan with over 2,000 square feet of living area and a new wrap-around wood deck, August 2020, which is perfect for entertaining, barbecues, or just enjoying time with family and friends. To top it off, a brand new awning will be installed by closing. Some of the other updates and features to this remarkable home include a new roof, 2018, new AC, 2016, tile throughout the living area, hardwood floors in the bedrooms, stainless steel appliances, vaulted ceilings, shed, fruit trees, and much more. Although this home is not directly on the water, you can keep your boat on your property and use the community boat ramp and amenities. Just a quick 15-minute boat ride to the Gulf of Mexico. If you want to fish, boat, or just take in the Florida lifestyle, this is the property for you. Island Park Woodlands is located in South Fort Myers and is close to shops, restaurants, schools, and just minutes to the sandy white beaches of Southwest Florida.